bought an RC 3.0 washing machine, portable washing machine. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty big. If you're thinking you want smaller, this 3.0 may not be the choice for you, but as you can see, simple connections here into the sink, and then also the outlet here for the tub. So a couple things about this that I really enjoyed is you can kind of do a lot of things in this 3.0. I'm going to pause it here. Very easy, as you can see. Load size. This is a large, medium, small. You know, program it, normal, quick, so on and so forth. Pause it, power. So you pause it. Pretty big size bin, barrel. Go back, let's finish this up. Now let's do some B-roll.
It's like pressing buttons.
Coming up here, you'll see me grab the drainage hose. In my research, this is the biggest concern. It being safely fastened to the sink. As you can see, this is a spin cycle. I wanted to show you how fast it can go. At times, this machine can be really loud. It may affect someone living underneath you, or if it's up against a wall. Thanks for watching my review on my brand new RCA 3.0 portable washer. It's perfect for small apartments with no washer and dryer attachments. It can be attached right to your sink and drained right into your sink. This is a bit on the big side, so be cautious of how much space you need and how much space this is. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and leave a comment too. Tell me what you think about RCA 3.0.